Everyone, welcome back to Rita's Budget. Today we're doing an unboxing, and bam! And I've been waiting for this package. It's actually shipped pretty fast. It was sent over last week, and I already got it already. Look at this opening this package will cause extreme happiness. Yeah, I'm all about that. All right, you ready? I can't wait. This is custom made for me. Oh my god. Look at that. Beautiful things inside. Oh my god, look at this. So pretty. I love it already. Okay. I love it already. Where'd I open? There you go. I'm so excited. Oh my god, what's this? What's all this extras? Oh my god, so pretty. Look at the stickers. Look at those pretty bows. Love it. So if you wonder who it's from Cute Saving Challenges. Alright. Coyote. I'll put it over here for now. Oh no. Right here. Where are my flowers? So pretty. Look at this. Look at these freebies. Oh, how cute. This is a lip mask. That's so awesome. Look at this. I love anything spa treatment. I will use this tonight for sure. Oh, there's more freebie. Oh my goodness. Look how cute. A paper clip of a camera and a coffee cup. So cute. I love this. This is like a little note too. I can reuse this. I love this. Alright, here it is. Look at this. It's a money. That's a money. How much is this? It's $100 bill. Cute. Alright. Okay, what does it say? Handmade with love. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Ta-da! It's like Christmas morning. I think I opened the wrong way. It's my manifest binder, custom made by Cute Saving Challenge. So gorgeous. It's like, oh, I love that. It's so gorgeous. I don't know why I'm looking at this through through the camera lens when it's right in front of me. Oh my goodness, you guys, look how pretty. I am so in love. Oh, she did such an amazing job. Look at that. Look at the background of the saving challenges. Oh, I can even use this and like write notes. Yeah. Write notes on here too. So pretty. Saving challenge right here. Not only you get the saving challenge, you can put your saving challenge in here. And then you also have an envelopes, which is Velcro. This is where you put your money right in here. Isn't that awesome? I love it. So this total saving challenge is $150, $5 denoms. And then she also got me an IOU. And then this is the IOU, this is the IOU paper clip. Oh, that is genius. Oh my god. I love that. Oh my god, I can't see. Let me put it down. Put this back. That is so cute. I love it. Alright, let me put this here for now. And then it comes with a budget sheet. And then 6 divider. And look, I label my tab. If you don't know where I get my inspiration from, I got it from the slot machine. My mini, minor, major, mega, grand manifestation. Yes, I am so impressed by her work. I love it. And this one's $10 and save $180. Look at the majors. The major is $20 and you save $120. And look at this dashboard. I love it. It's a Rita's budget. It's not a dashboard. I'm sorry. It's a bookmark. And got a little bow, you guys. This is so pretty. I love it. And I can use this everywhere. Not only in here, I can use it on my other binder. Love. Oh my god. Mega is $50 denom. This is total save $750. And the grand is $100 denom. And total save is $1,500. Yes. And she also included this pen for me for freebie. Thank you so much. It's beautiful. Look at that. I love this background so much. I actually want another copy of these by itself. But she included this a freebie. Oh my god, 2. Thank you. Awesome. Oh, so cute. This one's gold. Love it. I love this dashboard so much. I love this dashboard so much. I want to get another copy by itself and just have saving challenge on top of this background. And this is just like, ooh, and also get a cash breakdown. Oh my goodness. I love that. You think of everything. Oh my goodness. I am so in love with the background, you guys. The background, look at that. I love it. I can stare at it all day. Look at this. So you guys, all I told her is that I like crystals and gemstone, and my favorite one is amethyst, rose quartz, and citrine. And then like 5 minutes later, not even 5 minutes, and boom, she already got this done right here. And right away she showed me this picture right here, and I'm like, yes, that's my vision. Look at that. And I told her I want pink, lavender, and yellow theme. I feel like I didn't even tell her much, and she knows exactly what I want. She is so talented, you guys. So you want your custom binder made for you? Please check out Cute Saving Challenge. She's on TikTok, Instagram, and Etsy. All right, and don't forget to let her know I sent you. She's gonna put some money in it right now. Yes, I already got here. I already got money waiting to go in here. Thank you so much. I love this. She did such an amazing job. She definitely exceeded my expectation, you guys. Even with the shipping, I feel like she just sent it out last week and I already got it in my hand. I feel like it was super fast. All right, guys. I hope you all have an amazing day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.